Hello children, very good evening. Hope all are well. Today's topic parts of leaf part 2. Part 1 discuss about leaf base and previous video link I will put up in this video description box. You can easily find out. Leaf base already discussed about in previous video. Okay, here we will discuss about petiole. This is the second part of leaf, petiole. Main three part of leaf base, petiole and lamina. Leaf base already discussed about part 1. Part 1 link I will put up in this video description box. Okay, so let's start. Before we start this topic, please subscribe, like and more share and press red button for upcoming notification and knowledgeable topics mixed with knowledge and class wise topic included this video. Okay, this channel. So let's start. Any query, any comment, please on my mail amitakumar225@gmail.com and WhatsApp 968-928-46310. Okay, so let's start. This is the parts of leaf. Generally, leaf base, petiole and lamina together form the main parts of a leaf. Generally, you already discussed in previous session, leaf base, petiole and lamina together form a part of leaf. Okay, so here discuss about second part, petiole. This topic taken from 5th to 7th class, very important for this student, those student which are studying in 5th and 7th class. Okay, so let's start. Here discuss about petiole. Petiole is the long thin stalk that links the leaf blade to the stem. This is a petiole. You can see, easily draw this diagram in your notebook and you can see in this diagram on your screen. This is a petiole. This is a petiole. Okay, apex, the tip of leaf, apex. Here margin, veins, the central vein called midrib, base, petiole and stipule. Base already discussed about in previous session. Okay, so petiole is the long thin stalk. This is a long thin stalk that attached to leaf blade to the stem, that attached to the leaf blade to the stem. The petiole attached to the leaf blade to the stem. Okay, outgrowth opening on each side of the petiole are stipules. Outgrowth, this is outgrowth opening or arising from petiole, both sides of petiole called stipules. Okay, the outgrowth appearing on each side of the petiole are called stipules. Okay, the arising both side of outgrowth here present. You can see this diagram. This outgrowth called is stipule. Okay, this outgrowth either side of petiole. Okay, this outgrowth coming or appearing from each side of petiole are called stipules. A petiole are called sessile or epistolate. Okay, so petiole are called known as sessile or epistolate. So this is a leaves lacking sessile or epistolate. The leaf lacking a petiole are called sessile or epistolate. Here, which leaf the petiole is absent, this leaf is called sessile or epistolate. So, lacking of petiole are called sessile or epistolate. Okay, so this is a diagram of leaf and this is a red color circle. You can see this diagram. This is a petiole and this is a blade. So, here discuss about some fact of petiole. A cylinder or flattened narrow structure with support and holds the blade upright. A cylinder and flattened and narrow structure with support and holds the blade upright. Okay, this is a cylinder like and flattened like structure, narrow like structure with support and holds the blade. This is a blade This petiole has the structure of petiole cylinder, flattened and narrow-like, and which support the blade and holds the upright. Okay, and second point we'll take, provide maximum exposure of blade to sunlight. Okay, this petiole provide maximum exposure to blade to sunlight. Okay, and third point we take, serves for conduction. Serve for conduction. The petiole serve for conduction to the leaf blade. And with petiole, petiolate, and without petiole, sessile. The leaves without petiole we can say sessile, and with petiole, having a petiole, which leaf having a petiole called petiolate, and which leaves have no petiole, a petiole is absent, so this is called sessile. Without petiole, leaf is called sessile. So let's revise again parts of leaf. Generally, leaf base, petiole and lamina together form the main parts of a leaf. This is the three parts of a leaf: leaf base, petiole and lamina. This is the main part. Okay. Petiole. Petiole is the long thin stalk that links the leaf blade to the stem. Petiole is the long thin stalk that links the leaf blade to the stem. Okay. Petiole is the long thin stalk that links the leaf blade to the stem. The petiole is the stalk that attaches the leaf blade. Okay. Attach the leaf blade to the stem. Outgrowth appearing on each side of the petiole. Here we can see this diagram. This is outgrowth appearing each side of petiole. This is a petiole. This is a petiole. The outgrowth appearing each side of the petiole. This is called stipules. Okay. This is called stipules, and leaf a petiole are called sessiles. Stipules. Leaves lacking a petiole are called sessile or epitocile. Which leaf here? In which leaf the petiole is not present, absent, so these leaves is called sessile or epitocile. This diagram of showing petiole. Clearly you can see this is a petiole, a cylinder, narrow and flattened like structure with support and holds and upright to the blade. Okay, the petiole hold the blade or lamina. This flattened and green part called lamina. The petiole hold and upright to the lamina. Okay, this is a very cylinder like structure, flattened and narrow structure having in present the petiole. Petiole provide maximum exposure to the blade sun. Okay, petiole provide maximum exposure to sunlight. Okay, serve for conduction, and petiole third function serve for conduction, and with petiole leaves called petiolate, and without petiole sessile. If petiole absent in leaf, this is called sessile. If petiole present in leaf, this is called petiole. Okay, so petiole support and hold the blade. This is a green and flattened part of leaf. Petiole support the blade and holds and upright holds. Okay, and provide maximum exposure of the blade to the sun. Okay, so we will finish this video here, and previous video link I will put up in this video description box. I will again request to all, please subscribe, like and more share, and press red button for upcoming notification. Okay, so upcoming notification. Be safe, stay in home, take care, God bless, think positive, do positive. God bless.